Welcome to the exciting world of woodworking. Whether you're a complete novice or someone with a bit of experience, this journey offers endless opportunities for creativity and craftsmanship. Woodworking allows you to transform raw materials into beautiful, functional pieces that can enhance your living space or serve as thoughtful gifts for loved ones. The satisfaction of creating something with your own hands is unparalleled, and it fosters a deep connection to your work. As you embark on this adventure, you'll discover not only the techniques and tools essential for crafting, but also the joy of expressing your personal style through wood. In this video, we will explore a range of projects, starting from tiny crafts and gradually progressing to larger undertakings. Each project is designed to build your skills and confidence, allowing you to develop a solid foundation in woodworking. We'll emphasize the importance of sustainability by incorporating reclaimed wood and eco-friendly practices, aligning your creations with the growing demand for environmentally conscious products. If you're enjoying our woodworking content, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting projects, tips, and techniques that will enhance your skills and creativity. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest videos and join a vibrant community of woodworking enthusiasts eager to learn and share their experiences. We'd also love it if you could give us a thumbs up if you find our content helpful, and don't hesitate to share it with friends or family who might be interested in diving into woodworking as well. Your support means the world to us and helps us create even more engaging content. And make sure to stick around until the end of the video. We have some valuable insights and bonus tips that you won't want to miss. Thank you for being part of our woodworking journey. Embarking on a woodworking journey can be both exhilarating and rewarding, especially for beginners. Starting with tiny crafts lays a solid foundation for your skills, allowing you to develop essential techniques and confidence. These small projects require minimal materials and tools, making them accessible for anyone with a creative spark. As you gain experience and refine your abilities, you can gradually transition to larger, more complex creations that challenge your craftsmanship and creativity. Tiny wooden crafts often utilize reclaimed wood, which not only adds character, but also promotes sustainability. By repurposing salvage materials, you contribute to reducing waste and give new life to wood that might otherwise be discarded. This practice aligns perfectly with the growing market demand for eco-friendly products. In the initial stages of woodworking, focus on simple projects that hone your basic skills. Techniques such as sanding, measuring, and assembling are crucial for any aspiring woodworker. These foundational skills are necessary for successful crafting and will serve you well as you progress. As you complete small crafts, the sense of accomplishment you gain will motivate you to take on bigger challenges, reinforcing your confidence in your abilities. As you explore small wooden projects, consider incorporating rustic designs. The charm of rustic aesthetics appeals to many and has become increasingly popular in local markets. Whether it's a simple decorative piece or a functional item, rustic designs often resonate with buyers looking for unique home decor. The imperfections and natural beauty of reclaimed wood can enhance the appeal of your crafts, making them more marketable and desirable. Once you feel comfortable with tiny crafts, consider transitioning to medium-sized projects. These projects may include items such as storage solutions or simple furniture. Medium projects allow for greater creativity and complexity, pushing your skills further. Engaging with these larger undertakings will not only refine your techniques, but also give you a better understanding of woodworking principles, such as stability and proportion. Incorporating functionality into your designs is essential as you scale up your projects. Consumers appreciate items that serve a purpose while also being aesthetically pleasing. By focusing on both form and function, you can create pieces that not only look good, but also fit seamlessly into everyday life. This balance is key to appealing to a wider audience, increasing the likelihood of successful sales and positive feedback. As your skills continue to develop, it's important to stay informed about market trends in woodworking. Items that reflect current design trends or address specific needs can attract more interest from potential buyers. Researching what's popular can guide your project choices and help you tailor your creations to suit consumer preferences. This strategic approach can enhance your chances of success in selling your wooden crafts, allowing you to adapt to changing market demands. Sustainability is increasingly becoming a focal point in consumer choices, and integrating sustainable practices into your woodworking can set your projects apart. By using reclaimed wood and non-toxic finishes, you not only benefit the environment, but also appeal to conscientious consumers. Emphasizing your commitment to sustainability in your marketing can be a strong selling point, creating a connection with buyers who value eco-friendly products. As you progress to larger projects, such as furniture, careful planning and execution become critical. These projects often involve more complex techniques, including joinery and advanced finishing methods. Familiarizing yourself with these techniques through smaller projects can ease the transition to larger builds. Take your time with larger projects, focusing on quality over speed. The craftsmanship you put into your work will reflect your dedication and skill. Collaboration with other woodworkers can significantly enhance your learning experience. Joining a local woodworking group or online community allows you to exchange ideas, techniques, and inspirations. Being part of a community can provide valuable feedback on your projects and help you refine your skills. Sharing your journey with others not only fosters a sense of camaraderie, but also motivates you to tackle ambitious projects and learn from different perspectives. Marketing your wooden crafts effectively is crucial as you venture into selling. High-quality photographs, engaging descriptions, and a well-designed online presence can significantly impact your sales. Consider showcasing the story behind your crafts, especially if they involve reclaimed wood. Buyers often appreciate knowing the history and effort behind the items they purchase. Crafting a compelling narrative around your work can enhance its perceived value and attract more customers. As you gain confidence and experience, consider diversifying your product range. Offering a variety of items can attract different customer segments and increase your market reach. Explore various styles and functions, keeping in mind the trends and preferences of your target audience. This versatility not only enriches your portfolio, but also enhances your potential for profitability and sustainability in your woodworking endeavors. Building a portfolio of your work can also help establish your brand. Documenting your projects, from tiny crafts to larger builds, allows you to track your progress and showcase your skills. A well-curated portfolio can impress potential buyers and collaborators, enhancing your credibility within the woodworking community. This collection of your work can serve as a testament to your growth and capabilities as a craftsman. In conclusion, starting with tiny wooden crafts and gradually transitioning to larger projects is a fulfilling path for beginners. Emphasizing sustainability, functionality, and creativity will enhance your crafting experience and marketability. By honing your skills, staying informed about trends, and connecting with the community, you can build a rewarding woodworking journey that not only nurtures your passion, but also offers potential for profit. Each step you take in this journey brings you closer to becoming a skilled woodworker, capable of creating beautiful and meaningful pieces that resonate with others. Thank you for watching our video. We truly appreciate your support and hope you found it both informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed what you saw, please consider subscribing to our channel for more woodworking projects, tips, and techniques that will help you on your crafting journey. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, and feel free to share it with friends or family who might also be interested in woodworking. Your engagement not only motivates us to create more content, but also helps grow our community of fellow enthusiasts. We're excited to continue this journey with you, so stay tuned for more exciting videos ahead.